Number 8, creating a new raster. Create a new raster from scratch. For creating a new raster, we use the following script. From QGIS.core, import QGIS raster file writer, QGIS raster block, QGIS, QGIS rectangle, QGIS coordinate reference system. After that, define the dimensions of the raster with the 2 width and 2 height. Create a new raster file writer path. We name it new raster.tif. Writer equal QGIS raster file writer output path. Writer.set output provider key, which is GDAL. Writer.set output format, geotiff. Create a raster block with your data. Block equal QGIS raster block QGIS.byte, width and height. Data equal bytes 100, 150, 200, 250. Block.set data. Create a new raster layer with the specified dimensions and data type. Extend equal QGIS rectangle O and O, width and height. CRS projection equal QGIS coordinate reference system EPSG 4326. Provide equal writer.create one band raster QGIS.byte, width, height, extent, and projection CRS. Write the block to the new raster. If provider is not none, provider.set editable true. Make it editable. Then provider.write block, band, and row and column. Provider.set editable equal false. Then print raster block written successfully, else print file to create raster data provider. Finalize the raster by deleting the writer object. Del writer. Load the new raster layer. New underscore layer equal iface.edit raster layer. Output path. New raster, GDAL. If new underscore r layer dot is valid, print new raster layer created successfully, else print failed to create new raster layer. We copy the script. And paste it inside editor in QGIS. Run the script. In the output, raster block written successfully. New raster layer created successfully. Go to the layer. That's the created raster layer. Number 9, raster analysis. Perform basic raster analysis such as hillshade. From QGIS import processing. If array is valid, run the hillshade analysis. Result equal processing.run. GDAL hillshade. Input URI band number 1, Z factor 1, scale 1, azimuth 315, altitude 45. Then the path for output, we name it hillshade.tif. After that, load the hillshade output, hillshade underscore layer equal iface dot added raster layer. Result output hillshade and GDAL. If hillshade underscore is valid, print hillshade layer created successfully. We open new editor, paste the code, then run script. Let's create hillshade. Number 10, exporting raster data. To export raster layer to a new file, use the following script. From QGIS import processing, define the input raster layer, input raster equal my path of dim subset div. Define the output raster path, output underscore raster equal my path, and we name it exported raster.tif. Exporting the raster using GDAL translate tool. Result equal processing.run GDAL colon translate input colon input raster target CR as none output raster. Then load the exported raster layer, exported underscore layer equal iface dot added raster layer. Result output exported raster and GDAL. If export underscore layer is valid, print raster export successfully, else print failed to export raster. Copy the script, paste it inside new editor, then run the script. The output is exported raster and raster exported successfully. Number 11, hands-on exercise. Firstly, load a raster layer of your choice, then retrieve and print its properties, and apply a custom color ramp to the raster. Finally, perform a hillshade analysis and load the result. Number 12, troubleshooting common issues. Number 1, invalid raster file path. Double check the file path. For incorrect CRS, ensure the CRS matches the data. For missing GDAL dependencies, install GDAL if necessary. Debugging tips. Use print statements to check intermediate results and verify layer validity whether rlayer is valid. Number 13, additional resources. GDAL processing algorithms, QGIS processing toolbox, and PyQGIS developer cookbook, raster data section. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to raster layer manipulation in QGIS. Happy learning!